Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T Mike in South Louisiana making another video today. This video is going to be on restore number 99, a 1956 Johnson 10 horsepower QD17. This one's going to be for sale for $12.50. I got her all cleaned up, rebuilt, sanded and painted. Gear case, impeller, pressure tested, seals changed, new rope on the rewind starter, power head tested, good compression, painted clean, carburetor rebuilt. There's the exhaust chamber, all the rubbers painted, ignition rebuilt, all the shafts polished, brackets for the lower unit, all the bolts, and the hood. And I did use vintage outboard paints, the holiday bronze and the cream. I love vintage outboard paints. And the decals came from discontinued decals. This is the best part of the restoration process. Tomorrow I'll start putting it together. Stay tuned for the next video. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis and laissez les bon temps rouler.